Okay, I'm back. I took a little break to eat some lunch and watch the news and watch Donald Trump just destroy the world. So now I'm back and we're going to deal with the errors that we have here. So these are the compiler errors. And the first error we're going to deal with, we've got two kind of errors here, this one and this one. So this error is that in my Alice in Wonderland implementation file, my .cpp file, in the function save game, I have an error because I'm taking the address of an R value. So in this write method, so I'm writing using the write method. My apologies. I'm using the write method associated with the output file stream class, and I'm doing this whole reinterpret cast thing, and I'm trying to I'm calling game.getPlayer.getLocation method. So this returns the location, but because it's not assigned to a variable or anything, it's a right-hand value, or an R value rather, and I'm trying to take the address of it. So that doesn't exist. So let's take care of that. So I'm in the Alice in Wonderland implementation file, and right here, what we're just going to do is we're going to copy this, and we're just going to create a location object. Just call it location, and we're going to do that, and then now we can take the address of a variable. So let's save that and see if that does anything. Incremental changes here. Incremental changes. Perfect. So by doing that, we get rid of this error. Now we just have, this is an error we had before, similar error. We had this error before when we were dealing with the location object, in the sense that I'm trying to just directly write a game object, because game.getPlayer.getGame objects, that returns a game object list, and I'm trying just to save that directly, but I need to implement a save and load file the same way I did for my location class. So I created the save and load file. I just need to do this for game object as well. So no need to keep you on the line for that. I will shut down this video, and then I will implement load and save methods, not just in game object. I'm going to have to implement them in game object list, which extends vector. I'm going to have to implement them in game object list. I'm going to have to implement them in game object, because game object list is a list of game objects, i.e. it's a vector of type game object. So I'm going to have to implement save and load methods in a few different classes in order to make this whole thing work. So I will do that and then be back. And again, this is something I'll do.